Tonight, dozens of El Pasoans are left to rebuild after their properties were destroyed by the winds. ABC7 reported yesterday that extreme winds ripped the roof off a northeast El Paso apartment complex. ABC7's Carrie Mannix joins us live with how people can prepare for a situation like this. Carrie.
Stephanie, I spoke to several neighbors here who said they never expected anything like this to ever happen here. Now, ABC7 spoke to an insurance broker today who said that having an insurance plan is essential. Otherwise, the financial burden of something like this can fall on you. As crews went to work on what's left of the Joshua's Court apartments, a dozen families were left with destroyed apartments and cars. ABC7 spoke with some residents who were there when the roof ripped off part of the complex.
I was in my bedroom and I heard some commotion outside. I looked out my bedroom window and I saw some things flying around, and I came out here and I saw a bunch of people and I looked at it and there's the roof right there.
The wind was so extreme, it dislodged an AC unit and sent it crashing into one of these cars.
We just got a vehicle, and a piece of wood dented the front of it and then the back of it, but it's fine. But I really feel sorry for the guys that are here because their vehicle is totaled.
Despite all the destruction, officials say no one was hurt, and the Red Cross was called in to help the 12 displaced families.
We were able to assist last night 7 of those 12 families.
But even with the services the Red Cross is providing, insurance agencies say relying solely on their help is not a good idea. They say without an insurance policy, you could be left paying almost entirely out of pocket.
Under your tenant policy, you would have coverage, number one, for your furniture if anything gets damaged. Number two, you'd have what's called loss of use coverage.
The loss of use coverage that insurance broker just mentioned is something that pays for you to rent somewhere else while damages are being fixed. He also says that there are some policies that only cost about $15 a month. Reporting live from Northeast El Paso, I'm Carrie Mannix, ABC7.